Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can adjust the length of photos durations added to the Shotcut apps. So in here, I have 3 photos added to the timeline, and what you need to do to adjust the length is click on the photos, and in here at the bottom you'll easily spot duration option. Click on that and swipe to the left if you want to make it longer, or swipe to the right if you want to make it shorter. Like this, just click on this double check to make it apply to the entire photos, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next videos. Bye.